In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find your screenshots on a Windows PC or a laptop. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, the process is simple and only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First, we will take a screenshot. To do so, press the Windows plus print screen keys on your keyboard. Your screen will briefly dim, indicating that the screenshot has been captured and saved automatically. Now let's find that screenshot. Open the Documents folder from the Start menu, or by clicking the Documents shortcut if it's available on your PC. From the left-hand navigation pane, click on Pictures. Next, open the Screenshots folder. Here you'll find all the screenshots you've taken using the Windows plus print screen keyboard shortcut. Every new screenshot is automatically saved in this folder, so you can easily view, edit, or share it whenever you need. And that's it. That's exactly how you can take a screenshot and find it on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.